Hey, Solar Ken here with another video for solar for new homeowners. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about what I'm about to talk about or any content that you would like to hear about, definitely leave it below in the comment section. Let's go right into the video and explain why solar is perfect for new homeowners who've just built their homes, who've just had the opportunity to move in, get everything settled, and you guys are ready to look into other projects. Solar is the project for you. Reason being is you're going to add value to your home. You're already spending the money with your utility company. You're going to spend somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000 per year, regardless of who you are. Some can be a lot more, some can be a lot less. It's an average about $1,600 to about $2,000 for most homes in the North American electric grid. If you have an opportunity to save on any of that, you might as well take advantage of it, especially if it's with a system that doesn't cost you anything out of pocket. So when I'm saying anything out of pocket, we don't charge you to normally put it on top of your roof. There's an opportunity for you to take advantage of tax credits, maybe even some incentives in your state or market, depending on which state you're in. I know there's some utility companies like Duke Energy over on the East Coast that actually gives up to $6,000 just for you to go solar. So that's a huge incentive for homeowners just to get a rebate check for going solar in their market. So that's a huge opportunity for you to take advantage of. But again, new builds have the best insulation, the best quality of build. They're not built in the 80s, they're not built in the 90s, they're built in 2000, 2021. You have the best house in the market for solar because you have the most energy efficient upgrades already. You should have all LED light bulbs, you should have the best insulation, you should have the newest AC units in your market. So these things are all going to keep your consumption down. So along with a solar system going on top of your home to protect that roof and also add the kilowatt hours that you need, and you can produce them all on your own, why not? Again, there's going to be incentives for you to actually go take advantage of to go solar, and it just makes the most sense. Secondly, so you have the opportunity to go solar, and it's going to add value to your property. Like what I mean, I'm just going to add a ton of value to your property. When I say that is, you can also calculate how many kilowatt hours you're actually going to produce over the next 20 to 25 years, if not longer. But on that, you're going to calculate how much you're going to save over that period of time. The utility rates go up at least 2 to 3% each year, depending on which market you're in. The national average is about 4.5%, and that's pretty high. But at the end of the day, they have to keep up with their infrastructures in most of the markets. Like here in Texas, where I am, in Houston, they had a big issue back in February when the storm rolled through, and it pretty much knocked almost the power grid out of the park. If you think about this, every other utility company is revving up trying to make sure that their utility infrastructure is up to par, because if not, they're 1-2 big storms away before going back to the 1950s and 60s, where they're having to turn on and turn off power to make sure the grid is optimized for the whole massive group of homes that need the amount of power that they need. So for what we do as solar consultants or solar sales individuals is we actually offer an option to take you off of the grid or to add power to the grid, in a sense of either battery backup systems, or you have the grid tie systems where you're offering your support and your home's roof to generate more power, so the grid doesn't go through those high fluctuation kilowatt stresses. So again, it benefits you to go solar, to sell power back to the utility grid, because you're going to save anywhere between 30 to 40% off of what you're already going to give to the utility company anyway. With those rate increases, you're definitely going to see that over the next coming years of your bills going up and up and up. Thirdly, if you think about it, right, we do a lot of things on this planet without actually thinking about the planet itself. Why not go solar and benefit yourself while also benefiting the planet? You got to think about it. There's so much opportunity for you to go solar and not have to think about bad aspect of the energy or where it's coming from. You know it's coming from a good source. The sun's power comes out every day. It shines pretty much on us all day, every day, for the most part. So if there's a time and place where you can harness that energy and use that to the best of our abilities to power our homes, to power our generators, to power our batteries, to make sure that we're not pulling any dirty fossil fuels or having to go mine for these things that cost us a lot of money, energy, and time, and pollution. The CO2 carbon footprint that we leave on this planet is atrocious, and we should know that there's better opportunities and there's more to learn from using cleaner, renewable energies versus the harsh chemicals and waste products that have pretty much dragged us along this terrible carbon footprint that we've been left for a long time. So again, new homeowners, go solar. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to me on social medias. It should be in the description below. If you have any questions you want me to answer in video content form, then I'd be more than happy to do that. Just leave me a comment or a video below. If you have any questions, and overall, definitely reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you do want to book an appointment, I'm going to put my booking link in the description as well. Book a call with me. We can do everything via phone, via Zoom, jump on a call together. And if it actually works for you, I can get you qualified for $0 down. So give me a call today. Get in contact with me. Go solar with Solar Ken, and I'm out.